how to transfer your Ticketek ticket. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can transfer your Ticketek ticket. So if this is your question, just sit back, watch to the end, and you will learn what you need to do. The first step is to ensure that you have the Ticketek application installed on your device. Once you have it installed, just click on the device like I have done here to launch the device. So once you have it launched and you're brought to the home page, you will be brought to the event page automatically, where you would see different kind of events. At the lower part of the screen, you will see three tabs which include event, accounts, ticket. Just click on ticket, and once you click on ticket, you would see your ticket wallet, your customer ID, and then you will see all of your tickets in here. Okay, so currently I have not gotten any tickets. All right, that is why my page is empty. But for you, you will see all of your tickets here. Once you can see, just tap on the share button or on the ticket that you'd like to transfer or send. Okay, just select the ticket. After selecting the ticket, by the right side of the ticket, you will see the share button. Click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, you'll be asked if you want to share the ticket through SMS or through email. Follow the steps, select the one you want, input the email or input the SMS, wherever, and then from there, your ticket will be shared or transferred to whomever you want to share or transfer the ticket to. And you must note that once you've shared a ticket, the receiver will receive a unique link through email or SMS, and they will need to log in or create a Ticketek account to accept the ticket. So note this, all right? And if they haven't received it, even after transferring, you can check the status of the ticket, your order history, and you can try to share it. All right, so that's how it works. This is how you can transfer your ticket. Ensure you have a nice time doing this. Thanks for watching.